Find or read reviews that people are talking about FADCAMELOS, 2-in-1 wireless earbuds set. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2-in-1 innovative headphone set for versatile use. Our innovative 2-in-1 earbuds combo includes 2 distinct pairs, clip-on earbuds that sit gently on your ears without penetrating the ear canals, gentle and non-invasive, and in-ear mini earbuds that seal snugly for superior noise isolation. Whether you opt for the clip headphones or the in-ear design, you can effortlessly switch between them based on your personal preferences and diverse daily scenarios. Deep electroplated black, striking at first Glight. Break away from the ordinary feel of plastic. Enhanced with premium electroplating technology inspired by sports car finishes, these earbuds Bluetooth boast a deep, mesmerizing metallic shine. Each curve is designed to reflect sleek and sophisticated light, turning them from mere accessories into an expression of your distinctive style and personality. Immersive sound and crystal clear calls with premium technology. Equipped with 13mm large dynamic drivers, our TWS wireless earbuds deliver rich, layered sound and powerful, thumping bass that puts you right in the middle of a live concert. Boasting advanced AIENC call noise cancellation technology, these noise-canceling wireless earbuds effectively block out most background noises, ensuring crystal clear conversations. Ultra-lightweight and comfortable fit for all-day wear. Designed for ultimate comfort, the mini in-ear headphones weigh a mere 2.5 grams per piece, while the open-ear headphones weigh only 4 g each. Far lighter than most Bluetooth earphones on the market, these comfortable earbuds and wireless earbuds for small ears feel as feather-light as air when worn, making them perfect for extended use whether you're working, relaxing, or on the move. Bluetooth 6.0 and long battery life for non-stop enjoyment. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 6.0 technology, these Bluetooth in-ear headphones ensure a stable, lag-free connection for seamless audio. Enjoy earbuds' long battery life with 4 to 9 hours of playtime on a single charge, plus, the compact charging case provides extra power to extend the total playtime up to 36 hours. All it takes is one small charging case. These in-ear headphones wireless are ideal as sleep earbuds for side sleepers. The mini pair won't press on your ears when lying sideways, and clip-on earbuds for workouts. Catering to all your needs from work, commuting, and driving to sleeping and sports. Say goodbye to the hassle of owning just one pair of earbuds with FADCAMELOS 2-in-1 headphone set. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.